Hi friends. So today our topic is about candlestick charts. So what is candlestick chart? So at first, as we know that if you want to talk with somebody, we must know the language of that. And when we know the language, it is easy to understand everything, right? Suppose if you want to do something with the computers, you cannot communicate with computers with your normal language, that is Hindi, English, or anything, whatever is your mother tongue. You need to understand the language of computer, the softwares, the programmings. In the same way, if you want to trade and if you want to understand the trading, you must need to learn how the prices are moving, and you can understand the price moving part by candlestick charts. So candles are basically what show you how the price moved or how the prices are moving in a duration or in a time. So please come, we will see how the candlestick chart looks and how you can read them and how can you use it for your benefit in trading. So as you can see that there is a State Bank of India chart, that is State Bank of India SBIN, and now I will open it. So as you can see, it is State Bank of India candlestick chart. These are the candles. So basically what happens, that candles are of different time frame. So candles of different time frames. What does it mean? Let's understand it. So basically there is a proverb about candlestick chart that human may lie but charts don't. So right now you are standing on 19th of January 2025. If you will look that how State Bank of India did in the past, how the prices moved in the past, how the prices moved in last few days, how the prices moved in last few weeks, or how the prices moved of State Bank of India stock in last some month, you can definitely see it by looking into the chart of State Bank of India. So at first you will see right side corner below, this is the duration. So here you can see these 0, 1, 3, 5, 10, 15, 30, 60, these are the minutes, and below that it is the day. Suppose you put 1 day and 1 minute, so what you will see that last day was Friday, so last trading day was Friday, today is Sunday. So last trading day, in every minute how the State Bank of India stock price moved, you can see from here. If you will put it the minute 5 minutes, so it will show you how on Friday in every 5 minutes the prices move. So if you will take the cursor and you can see the details right side above this part. If I will put the cursor on this candle, first candle, you can see right side upper corner that 17 January 2015, that was the date on Friday, last trading day. You can see 5 minute chart, market started at 9:15, that's why 5 minute chart is showing 9:20. O means open. Open means at 9:15 where the State Bank of India price opened, when market opened, it was 765.25. Then you can see there is a high 767.30. High means in these 5 minutes State Bank of India went up to 767.30. Then there is L. L means low, so it came down to 761.50. And then there is closing. Closing means after 5 minutes the candle closed at 764.35. And then please go to the next candle. You can see that it is 924, 925, means 920 to 925 how the prices move. Again prices open at 920, that is 764.25. It made high of 767.85. It made low of 763.25, and then close means after 5 minutes it closed at 764.70. In this way you can see that on Friday every 5-minute interval how the prices move in State Bank of India. At last at 3:30 it ended. So this is the time duration you can set and you can see how the prices moved on that particular time. Now if you will say, Amit, please set daily chart. So I will set the daily chart here. So you can see every candle is indicating 1 day move. So if you will put the last candle that was of 17 January, you can see everything on the right side upper part. So 17 January, State Bank of India opened at 766.30 in the morning. Then after opening, it made a high of 767.95. Then prices came down to 759.40 and that has been indicated by L, means low. And then C is closing price, that's 764.10. So on the whole day, State Bank of India did that. If you want to know what happened on Thursday, so Thursday was 16 January. So you can see right side upper part 16 January and 17 January has been written, that was the last day. Then below that it has been mentioned 16 January. So open was 760.40 on Thursday when market opened at 9:15 am. State Bank of India opened at 760.40. It made high of 776.70. It made low of 760.40 and then closing price was 766.30. So this is how State Bank of India move on Thursday. Then if you want to know how it behave on Wednesday, so you can see on 15 January how it moved. So in this way, it is the daily chart. Now if you want to know about the weekly, how in every week State Bank of India moves. So if you will put the cursor over there on the last chart, that was 17 January. Then if you will go the previous candle, it is 10th January, 7 days. Then if you will go back, it is 3rd of January. So it will show you how the prices move in the full week. So you can, in this way, you can set the timing and you can see how the prices move in State Bank of India. So it was the topic. Right now I want to show you how you will read the candle. So candle is actually, you know that you can set a time frame and then the candles will come. If you set the daily chart, so daily candles will show you 1 day. Every candle will show you 1 day price movement of State Bank of India. And basically in a candle you will find only 4 things. That is most importantly, the first is open. If you will see, the time frame is there is intraday. Intraday means minute to minute you can see. Then if you will go, you can see daily chart, which will indicate daily in a single day how a single candle will show in a single day how prices move. In weekly, you can see every candle will show you how in a week prices have moved. Every candle will show you 1 week price movement. And then monthly chart, in a month how the prices moved in State Bank of India. From the monthly chart, a single candle will show you 1 month price movement. And then half yearly or yearly, you can set any of this and you can go to any year, 2010, 2013, 14, 15, how the prices moved, you will come to know. So basically this is how you can see the candlestick. Now you will say that, okay, time duration I have set, but now how will I read the candle and what are these green and red candle, how these are being formed? Does red means loss or does green means profit? So let's see what happens. So now the thing is, first question is here that from a candle how will you read a candle? So let's write it. How will you read a candle? So basically candle have 4 things to read: open, high, low and close. So basically price open at some point of time at the beginning of when market opens at 9:15, prices open. Then in the whole day, definitely where it has opened, definitely it will go to high or low. So it will go to high, or sometime that open can be high only and then prices came down. It may happen. So open and high will be same. Suppose State Bank of India opened at 760 and then it came down only and it did not cross 760 in the upper side. So basically open is the high. So open and high will be equal, and then low, there is a low point where the price touched in whole day, and there is a close at 330 where the price closed. So basically these four things we can understand from a candlestick chart, from a candle, which is very informative information we need to go ahead with the prices and to understand how the stock is doing well or not. Okay, so let's understand open, high, low, close by a candle. So this is the State Bank of India chart. You can say that left side upper corner, that has BIN, that is State Bank of India chart. You will come the right side lower corner, that is that has been written as daily chart. Okay, so daily chart means every candle is showing daily movement in a single day, how the prices have moved. Okay, so let's take a candle and understand how the things happen. So we will go in this candle. Okay, this is a candle, I think we all can see. Let me mark, this is the candle we are studying. So when I will put the cursor in right side upper corner, you will see the details. So this candle is basically indicating 17 January 2025, you can say upper corner, that was the last day of trading. But this candle is indicating the price movement of 4th of November 2024. Okay, why did I choose this candle? Because maybe you will understand better by seeing it. That's why randomly I just chose, and there is nothing specific about it. Okay, you can choose any candle. Okay, so on 4th of November 2024, the prices open at 822.70. In the morning at 9:15, State Bank of India opened at 822.70. Then it made high of 837.50. It goes up. Then it made low of 807.10. It came down also. But then again, the candle closed, or the day at 3:30, price closed around 829.85. So what we can see is how the prices moved on that particular day in State Bank of India. Now we will see that where is in this candle, where is open, where is low, where is high, and where is close. Okay, so we need to understand that. Okay, so we can see that this candle is, this is the candle, you can see, I just zoomed it. So in this candle, price open at 822.70. Okay, so we will take a horizontal line, and this is the part, it is opening part, body of the candle, we can say body of the candle. So 822.70. Okay, so for the price basis, sometimes the price will move because of the cursor, but it is 822.70. as you can say right side upper corner, it is open. So here market opened at 9:15. Okay, so we'll just put a text over here and we'll write that open 822.70. Okay, now the thing is, market opened here, then in the day it made high of, right side upper corner, you can say after open it made high of 837.50. So what is the high of the candle? This will be the high of the candle, right? Because it is high. So we will take another horizontal line and we will put it here. Okay, and that is 837.50. Okay, so it was the high. So again we will write here for a better understanding, it was the high. So high was 837.50. Okay, now in the day it made low of 807.10. This is the low, you can see in the candle, this is the low, 807.10. So we'll take another horizontal line, we'll put it here, 807.10. So this was the low, we'll write it here, low 807.10. Now at 3:30 the price closed, open at you can see right side upper corner, open 822.70 and C means close. Close is 829.85. It means price opened at 822.70 but closed above the open price, right? So if it is the open price, market closed above it and 829.85. So this must be the closing, right? 829.85. So we will take it, we'll put it here, and this is the closing price 829.85. Closing 829.85. So in this way you can mark a candle. So it is a single candle, we marked it and everything has been written right side upper corner. We opened at 822.70, then it made high of 837.50 on the same day. It came down also 807.10 low, it made low, but it did not stay at low. It goes up and it goes up above the open price and then the closing in 829.85. So in this way you can read a chart, candlestick, open, high, low, close. I think with the example you have understood it fully. Now there is one more question, that why the color of candles green or red? Does red means loss or does green means profit? Okay, everybody asks this question, that if the candle is we are seeing it is red, then it may be loss, or green means profit. But before understanding that, we need to understand why the color of candles are green or red. So basically there is nothing. We will just delete it and we'll understand it. Basically it is nothing. So we will write down here, if the closing price of any stock is above the opening price, candle color will be green. And similarly, if the closing price of any stock is below the opening price, candle color will be red. Simple. So basically you will understand that if prices open at some point and then the closing is above the opening price, then it is basically green candle. And if the closing price is below the opening price, candle color will be red. So let understand here in the chart. Okay, so I will put the cursor here, you will see right side upper corner. Okay, so in this condition, in this candle, we can see the open price is 829.85. okay, market opened at 9:15 and market closed at 849.20. It means 829 open and 849 closing. It means 20 rupees up. So closing price is 20 rupees up or above than the opening price. That's why the color of the candle is green, simply. Now come to a red candle. This is the red candle. The last candle is red candle. Again, I have put the cursor and you can see right side upper part. On 7th November, market or State Bank of India opened at 861 at 9:15 am. But the closing at 859.60. So the closing price is below the open price. That's why the color of the candle is red. So in this condition, you will say that Amit, you showed that in the green candle it was the open price and then it was the close, because closing price was above the open. How a red candle will be marked? Let's see. So we will choose a red candle over here, and then maybe we'll get a better view of it. So let me just put a yes. So we'll get to State Bank of India chart for a second, and we'll take a red candle. Okay. So we'll zoom a red candle so it will give us a better understanding. Suppose we take this red candle, okay, and we'll understand it betterly. Yeah, this is the red candle. So I will put the cursor on the red candle, and all the information open, high, low, close will be shown on the right side upper corner. This part, please see. So open price you can see is 547. Okay. So at first it opened at 547. Then the closing price is 529.80. Okay. The candle color is red. It means market open at higher. State Bank of India's price opened at higher, but it closed on lower. So basically, in this red candle, this is the open. Okay. The open is 547. So you take a horizontal line and you put it here. It is 547. Right. So it was the open price. And we will put that open price is 547. Then in whole day, it made a high of, we can see right side upper corner, 553.15. So this must be the high of the candle, 553.15. Okay, so we will put it. It was the high. So we will write it. So it was high. So high was 553.15. And then in the whole day it made low of, right side upper corner, please see, 514.30. 514.30. We will take another line. So this is 500 and this was the low, 514.30. So low 514.30. 514 or 14.30. Okay. Now as it was open 547, you can see the closing is 529.80. Again see right side upper part, closing is below that. So as it was opening, it must be the closing, because closing price is below the open price. Okay. So we'll put that horizontal line, we'll put it here, and we'll show this. This is the closing price, 529.80. Right. 529.80. So in this way, as the open price is higher and closing price is lower, that's why the color of the candle is basically red. Now the question is, why the color of candles green or red? It is clear. Does red means loss or does green means profit? We need to understand that. Okay. So we will delete it, and again we will go in State Bank of India chart clearly. So now our question is, does the red candle, we'll just zoom it out. Does this red candles means loss, and does this green candle means only profit? Look, red candle or green candle does not define any profit or loss for you. It is depend on where have you purchased the stock. Okay. Suppose you have purchased the stock. Suppose I will take the cursor here. This was the red candle. I put the cursor. You can see right side upper part. The stock price was around 790, 800. Okay. Suppose I purchased the stock on 20th September 2024 around 800 rupees at the high of that week. Okay. Let's put it daily chart. Okay. Let's put it daily chart. So this is the daily chart, means every candle is showing 1 day movement in State Bank of India. Now the thing is, please come here. So this, suppose this is the green candle, okay. So here you can see I put the cursor and you can see right side upper corner, the price was around 789. It made high of 789 and the day was 12 September 2024. Suppose I purchase the stock at the high price of 789.90, which was 12 September high price. Okay. So it is the green candle. Then I will go and I will see if any day, suppose this is the red candle and you can see that red candle, the low price is 795. Okay. So will you say that my stock is in loss? No, because you bought it at around 789 and now this red candle after few days is showing 804 high. So you have purchased at 789 or 90. Now any red or green candle cannot decide your profit or loss, but definitely only red and green candle what shows, they show that price open at the price and then closing price is above the open price. That's why the color is green and red. You have purchased in lower price, the price has goes up. In some day if the prices, the closing price is below the open price, that's why the color of candle is red. It does not define that you are in loss. It will only define where have you purchased the stock and what the prices are going on today. So I hope that you have understood it fully and I really tried my best. I always said that we are just trying to make a community where we can exchange our ideas, our views, and if you have better something to learn and to teach, you please give us. We will definitely try to learn it and please share your ideas. And if I am going right, please suggest me if something I can do better for you. So thank you so much. Thank you.